tickets to come see my downfall. It's sold out in minutes. I saw friends in the front row. They'll leave when I'm finished, and the light in my head's gone. Cause the ones that gas you up only come around when the flame's on. And come on, bro, this ain't a music video. I gave you my life. Alright boys, you ready?
It go right foot up, left foot slide.
Hell yeah!
Right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna dance with me?
I could dance like Michael Jackson.
I could get it up.
You can't
Where are you
dance with me,
taking me?
bro.
Where are you taking me, bro?
Going to Western, man. Western Raceway.
There you go. How far is it?
White Hills, Arizona.
Alright.
It's about 2 days away.
2 days away.
About 2 days, bro.
Alright.
The girls thought that it's only a couple hours, but we're never coming back.
What's up, boys? What are you eating?
Yeah, show the breakfast. Breakfast for champions right there.
There, right there.
There.
Right there.
Water levels drop. Where are we going, boys? Where? Cadence, where are we going? Western! We're going over the Hoover Dam right now. Ready? Set? Boom!
In a pufferfish almost ate his phone.
Oh my god, dude, I thought she was going down. What up, man? Where are we going, dog?
Nobody will have been a better killer, but the fucking bodies in the lake. I'm obliterating everything is iterated. Renegade, I'm gonna make anybody who wanted with the pen and frame.
Go for it, bro.
Anyways, I'm beginning to feel like I'm mentally ill until a killer be killing me the vanilla gorilla.
Yeah. I picked up my guitar and played it for the Reaper. You think there's no camera, man?
What happened to your glasses? I took this. What is it? Yeah.
That's it.
Art? Yeah. Dude,
Cool track, huh?
Yeah, in Nevada. We traveled 5 hours to get here.
What?
We traveled like 5 hours to get here.
5 hours to get here, huh? Pretty far, huh?
Yeah, but you chose boats.
Cool.
Two hours later.
Yeah, go.
The stairs, right here. Like, just go back and forth on the stairs, so you can touch the stairs, but just go back and forth. From here, come here, come here. See this bell bottom stair right here? And that'll keep your head above water. You want me to do it, or you got it?
This one's like chocolate. I hate this. Third. He got third. I got it. Put it on the sides. Wait, Dad, what? Are you dancing somewhere? Why do you still have your shirt off and you still have your stuff on?
Have you been to a DT1?